viewers, welcome back to my channel Stepping Stone Tutorials.
So viewers, this is the second video on the chapter Chemical Effects of Electric Current of Class 8 Physics. So in the last video, that is the first video, I have discussed basically what is electric current, then what are good conductors and poor conductors of electricity. Then we have seen, like just as in solid, do liquids also conduct electricity? So we have seen that yes, liquid also conduct electricity, and we have performed an experiment where we have seen some good liquid conductors of electricity and poor liquid conductors of electricity. If you have missed my earlier video, I have shared the link of the first video. Please go through the first video. So viewers, I think you remember this experiment in my last video. So in this experimental setup, the bulb does not glow when current is passed because distilled water is a poor conductor of electricity. But instead of distilled water, if we use vinegar or lemon juice, then also the bulb might not glow, or the bulb glows very dimly. Why? Because although lemon juice and vinegar do conduct electricity, but they are weak conductors of electricity. So what do we do in such case? How do we detect weak current flowing through a liquid? So we can detect weak current flowing through a liquid. There are in fact two methods for detecting weak current flowing through a liquid. The first method is by using a light emitting diode, LED. In this experiment, you can see a LED is used. We can also detect weak electric current flowing through a liquid by using a compass, by making use of the magnetic effect of current. Here in this diagram, you can see a compass kept in a box surrounded by turns of electric wire of the circuit. Now, even if a weak electric current flows through the liquid in the circuit, then this magnetic needle of compass will show deflection, showing that the current passes through the circuit. So viewers, now that you know that liquid do conduct electricity like solids, so here are certain points that you should remember. So we have seen that some liquids are good conductors of electricity like salt solution, while others are poor conductor of electricity, or they are insulators. So what are insulators? Insulators are those materials which do not conduct at all any electricity. Here I have shared with you a chart wherein you will get certain liquid which are a good conductor of electricity and or they are insulators. Like lemon juice, vinegar, etc. They are conductor of electricity, although they are weak conductor of electricity. But honey or your kerosene oil is an insulator. Okay, the second point is, remember that solutions of acids, bases and salts conduct electricity. Like your lemon juice, vinegar, these are acidic in nature. Then your sodium hydroxide solution is basic in nature, while your salt solution is a salt. Okay, now note down the next important point. So in solids we have seen that electricity is carried by electrons, and I have given you a brief idea of electrons. But in liquids, electricity is carried by ions. Now the next question that will come to some of your mind is, what is an ion? So an ion, when an atom it loses or gains electrons, it becomes electrically charged, and it is called an ion.